Hi everyone, welcome back to my class. Now I'm creating a new notebook in this lecture. Before we begin with, I'm going to tell you one thing. Previous lectures, we in process to make one cluster named neuavenue cluster. So finally, once you're done to create the new cluster, now it's running. See the green icon beside the cluster name. Once you mouse over, the cluster running, it says. So let's go to the left sidebar. Here is a new. Click this, and I'm going to click notebook. Here is a untitled notebook Python language. You can switch the SQL, Scala, and R. Once you set the default language for this notebook, new cell will be used Python language. And on top of that, right side, you see the navigation bar, and the four icon is here: the publish, and the run all, and the connected. Click the arrow, and then you see I have been create resource. It's called the neuavenue cluster DBR 15.4 LTS. If you have another cluster, it will show up the list on this list. Otherwise, doing like same as me, the one cluster I had created as a recent resources. But you can create a new resource if you change like another LTE. So I'm just skip this. As I said, I'm going to create a new notebook in this lecture with this Databricks. Here I chosen Python. Here I chosen Python, and just like you would like in Jupyter notebook. You know that Jupyter notebook, right? So you can write a simple Python hello world scripts and run the cell to see the output. However, when you try to run the script, you must choose a cluster. As I said already, I start by the resource named neuavenue cluster. You must choose the cluster. We haven't clicked on yet. You must do the create new resources from here. So now it's time to we create this cluster, which is required to run the notebooks and automations job. From now on, I'm using the new notebook title. I put it here. Notebook. Data science. I put it level 1. It changes automatically by type it. So don't forget to not change the language type for this notebook. Here, first cell. Here is the Python. You can change from this list, change this or markdown, and I will tell you later. And there is a cell. So this is a cell, the one cell. You can cut the cell if you have a lot of cell, and then add cell above and below where this A key or B key. So far, so on. So I go back to one cell, the first cell, the command print hello world, and then I just said run to the run cell, the control enter or click this run cell. So it come up to not message automatic computer resource come to success, automatic connect to your most recent computer the resource mail closed. So please waiting. If you want to interrupt this process, just click. So now a hello world is printed out. You welcome to you are data engineer or data scientist with Databricks by typing Python language in this notebook.